What Friends Do started because we had a family loved one who was diagnosed with terminal brain cancer. And what we found was that friends and loved ones wanted to know what was going on, but more than that, they wanted to know what they could do to help. Hi, I'm Aimee Kandrac, and I am the CEO and co-founder of WhatFriendsDo.com. What Friends Do is an online tool that allows friends and loved ones to organize all of the help that someone needs when there's been a major life event. Any of those things that friends and loved ones can do to alleviate the day-to-day tasks actually really helps the family and the person going through something.
What Friends Do has been such a great, really a great platform for me personally and for my family. Hi, my name is Pirowski, and I am a breast cancer warrior, and I have been working with What Friends Do, actually utilizing their platform ever since I was diagnosed earlier this year. What has been so great about being a part of What Friends Do within their platform, it has allowed me to ask for help. So many of us don't know what to do as far as when you get a diagnosis or what to ask for, and people are there to help you.
When you're helping someone when they've had some sort of major life event and you want to go drop off dinner or pick groceries up, you have to have a reliable vehicle to do that. And you need to know that you're going to be able to make it safely. In non-pandemic times, you might have the opportunity to be a buddy at an appointment, and you want to be able to be the one to drive them in your car to take them back and forth to where they need to go.
I was able to really organize and utilize the tool of What Friends Do to keep a calendar and to really, again, just letting people know what I'm going through or what day of the week is or that we need help. Again, a great platform for someone who, myself, I don't know, a lot of my people be like this too, that we're not used to asking for help, especially when we're in a vulnerable spot. Utilizing this platform, I too now will be able to, show up for other people in the way that others have showed up for me.